We're preparing those students for the jobs of tomorrow, today.
Going out into industry from here, we see directly in the workplace. These are robots that you see companies using right now that for a student that's very valuable, because I can go into a place of work and tell them that I have experience running the exact same system that they might use in their facility.
One of the things that we try to do through this program by using the traditional machining, the advanced machining, the 3D printing, the automation, is to create an employee that has multiple skills. To do that today for a modern technician, we not only need the electronics, electricity as part of their toolkit, we also need an understanding of hydraulics and pneumatics, sensors and automation systems, as well as networking.
Teaching electronics, teaching subtractive manufacturing, and teaching advanced manufacturing, like 3D printing. We actually give them those industry skills that they need to go out and do the jobs that tomorrow's going to need.